Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Class 12 accountancy, we already have seen in the last lecture the first two methods of goodwill. Today we are going to see the method number 3, that is called super profit method. Class 12 accountancy. And we are watching revision right now. Now suppose super profit method of goodwill. Super profit method of goodwill. First of all, students, the question comes in your mind, what do you mean by super profit? Super profit means that suppose if you are expecting in this year you will get 1 lakh rupees profit from your business, and you got 1,20,000 rupees profit actually. So 20,000 rupees more than your expectations. So this 20,000 more than your expectation is known as super profit. The basic formula of the super profit is that it's actual profit minus expected profit. So whatever you are expecting and you are getting something more than that, it's known as super profit. Students, I'm going to write one question here and then we'll go for the solution of that. Average profit of the business during the year was rupees 50,000. बिजनेस का एवरेज एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट हुआ है 50,000, 50,000. नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज 10%. यानी आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि इस साल आपने जो इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है बिजनेस में, इसको बोलते हैं कैपिटल एम्प्लॉय, उसमें से मिनिमम 10% प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉय इन द बिजनेस was rupees 4 lakhs. यानी बिजनेस में आपने 4 लाख रुपीस इन्वेस्ट किए. कैलकुलेट वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल बाय सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड on the basis of three years of purchase. Students, the question I am reading in front of you right now, super profit method is there. Average profit of the business during the year was 50,000 rupees. यानी जो आपका प्रॉफिट हुआ है वो 50,000 है. नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज 10%. नॉर्मल रेट मीन्स यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, यू कैन कॉल इट एज एक्सपेक्टेड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न. यानी आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि इस साल मुझे मिनिमम 10% प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. सो नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज 10%. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इन द बिजनेस वाज 4 लाख. यानी आपने इस साल बिजनेस में टोटल 4 लाख रुपीज इन्वेस्ट किए हैं, आपने डाले. So calculate the value of the goodwill by super profit method on the basis of 3 years of purchase. My humble request to the students, I'll give you 1 minute just to copy this question. Please copy it as quickly as possible. Students, I hope you have copied this question. Now, let me write the important things which is already given in the sum. Average profit equal to 50,000. Normal rate of return, short में इसको बोलते हैं NRR, equal to 10%. Capital employed 4 lakhs. तो इतना तो हमें दे दिया है, इसके बेस पे हमें ढूंढना है गुडविल सुपर प्रॉफिट मैटर्स. First we have to find out super profit. Now students, super profit means what? Super profit means that it is whatever you got, that is average profit minus expected profit minus expected profit. Students, normal profit, average profit तो आपको पहले से क्वेश्चन में दिया है 50,000. Now expected profit आप कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो? So here I will write down expected profit equal to capital employed multiply by normal rate of return. आपने कितने पैसे कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड यानी कितने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है 4 lakhs मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 अपॉन 100. सो स्टूडेंट्स यू विल गेट 40,000 रुपीस. 40,000 प्रॉफिट आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. यू एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट यू विल गेट मिनिमम 40,000. आप इतना सोचते थे कि इतना मिलेगा. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, सुपर प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू super profit equal to, as per the formula we have already mentioned here, average profit minus expected profit. Average profit already given in the question, that is 50,000. So I will write down here 50,000 minus expected profit, you just got 40,000, so minus 40,000. So your super profit will be 10,000. आपको प्रॉफिट सुपर प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ, एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट 10,000. Okay, now students, the final step in this question is goodwill equal to super profit multiply by number of years purchase. Number of years purchase. I repeat again, goodwill equal to super profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Now students, super profit already you got the answer 10,000 and multiply by number of years purchase given in the question here. 3 years of purchase. So I will write down here 3. So your final answer will be 30,000. Goodwill. This is your final answer. So students, my humble request to you, this is the third method of goodwill, calculation of goodwill super profit. I think it's not very difficult, so I think one sum is enough right now for the revision purpose. Now in next lecture we will see the last method, capitalization method. In capitalization also two parts are there, capitalization of super profit and capitalization of average profit. So in next lecture we will finish this topic and we may move for the admission of a partner. Hope for the best, and I think if you have any doubts regarding this question or something, you can ask anytime by passing the comments as well as by using the helpline number also. Thank you very much.